Is it a lie that the nuggets aren't there because they are oily? They aren't good tasting, and the fries are oily and artificial.
Right, so when they finish, we can freeze them, and then once they freeze hard like this, then you can put them in a bag or something.
Yeah, then
and
you can.
take it out as you need it.
Yeah.
And either bake it or fry it. When you're baking it, you have to coat it with some oil.
Oh yeah, so it's technically frying, but not deep frying. Very thin layer of oil frying. So you'd have to like kind of drizzle them with oil like the way that you have them over there. Sounds restful.
And cover it over cling film. Put them to freeze. Once they're frozen, put them in a bag. And put them back in the freezer. And just take out what you need and do the business.
A good few nuggets. Why don't you like take out the blade and wipe off the things off your blade?
Yeah, the blades
Sharp.
so that's why I left it there.
Yeah, but then you could potentially cut yourself.
Why do you think I'm using a spoon?
So that you don't potentially cut yourself? Strange looking avocado. Why is it even like this? Why is the avocado even like this? Oh, wrinkly and... That's like about 9. No, not 9. Ow, my big toe. Ow, I kicked my big toe. Ouch. Ow.
We're getting to meet this today. But yeah. There's another recipe here for sausage.
Ooh. So like
Similar to this.
okay. Some more nuggets. So how many do we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 nuggets.
So only 1 tablespoon, not a half a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
So 1 whole tablespoon.
Nice good size.
Well, there is quite a lot of beautiful consistency.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of, also kind of like ball it and then shape it.
Mm-hmm.
It honestly is kind of like dough.
Yeah. That's why I puree it so much so that so you get that kind of consistency.
Yeah.
You build up your gluten in it.
Aren't you gonna like scrape off like the inside there? So you're putting some more dough, then you're gonna put it back over there. You know those what are they called again? The chicken wings. So I have about how much now? 18 nuggets. Time. McDonald's gives you about 5 nuggets, I'd say.
And as the man says, the product.
The McDonald's CEO say the product, the amazing product. And this is the product of adding chicken, flour, seasonings. Yeah, not whatever they put in theirs. Because those kind of fast food places, it's kind of hard to trust them.
The product.
And didn't that guy say fast food takes, because remember we were waiting for about 30 minutes for the crispy sandwich, as the KFC, as the Junction KFC people say, aka the Crispers Zinger.
Right.
But then that guy was some guy was talking about fast food isn't fast. How fast can you peel a banana? In about 3 seconds. Oh dear. So we got three. You got 18. Well, no, 19 and a half, I think.
Go to the shower. And she glad you went to the shower already. Anyway, if it's for you, I'll cook it. I'll be the one downstairs mopping in it.
So,
put on the TV for the news.
Coming. So,
This door right here you're probably talking about. But you need to close the thing. I need to put this out there to freeze. Well, I can put it in the freezer in here.
So that's about what? 19 and a half?
One chicken breast and I get so many nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't have all the things in it, them people just put in it.
Yeah, they want to stretch it out as much as they can, so then it won't be enough. And they try to make it taste good. At least try to make it taste good. And that's just what they get.
Tomorrow that can come out. You can lock up the house now, because nobody going outside now.
Uh-huh.
Not in this rain, we can help.
Except for you know where, down front.